guys, back to starting it off on the Friday. We haven't hung out for a few weeks. Me and my grandma have had basketball. But anyways, so far we just have this. I got my Starbucks, and they actually gave me the wrong thing first. So it had coffee in it, and it wasn't caramel or anything. So there's that. So they just made me a new one and said I could keep that one or throw it away or whatever. Sorry about the background noise. So we got 3 drinks. Because my grandma got hers too. But yeah, so right now we're actually heading to a new Dollar Tree that just opened up. And I'm going to try to vlog a lot because, you know, probably buy a lot. So, yeah.
And they will.
I think so. So, here we go. Also, if you would follow my Bath Bomb ingredient kit, they have Epsom salt here now. And it's filling up quickly. I've got a bunch of stuff to realize with some succulents on there, and I actually will probably go back and get like 20 more of those. So yes. So it's going great. We're in the food aisle now. There's some frozen stuff back there, but have a buggy full. There's a person behind me. Yeah, so look forward to that soon, probably because I got all this good stuff. So yeah.
You owe me some work.
I thought it was tax. So I spent quite a bit of money, but I have a deal with her that I will print her some pictures with my little printer. So there we go. And I'm super excited for the DIYs that are coming sometime soon. So I lost really bad last time, and I'm losing again, so fun.
I want to go down.
Okay guys, so well, I got 53. Last place, I got 100. So we're playing one more, and he just got a strike, and it's just us. So fun. We bowled like once, and right now he got a spare, and I got 3. Fun. Just got a spare. 97. Last time I got 50, now I got 97. I think we're doing one more for the tiebreaker, even though we didn't tie. Sorry, it's really loud. We came to eat at Pizza Hut, and it's really cool in here. Green pepper pizza, pepperoni pizza, cookie cake, and cinnamon. Okay, so quickly wanted to give you guys an Ipsy haul. For February. This is a cute bag. Oh, and there's like a bonus item in here. A cute little brush. This is cool. This is very pretty. And it's really soft. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this. And I really like how they put this little net on it so that it stays together. So now inside this cute little pink leather bag, maybe that just didn't fit. No, I think it would fit. Maybe they didn't want to switch it out. Okay, so first off I see some eyeshadow. This is Take It for Granite color Alternate Rock. It's the brand Alternate Rock, I believe. It's just a kind of silvery shine, kind of brown tinted. Next thing I see is this exfoliating water toner thing from the brand Pixie, which is a pretty good brand. I've heard good things about them. Next thing is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat. Oh, this is foundation in the color honey something. Next is this pumpkin walnut facial cleanser, and it's got cute little leaves in the package. And they actually didn't give me a paper today, or they did, but it's a pretty big one. So it's got all my items. It's eyeshadow, facial cleaner, a powder brush, and Hey Honey foundation, and the Glow Tonic Water by Pixie. So that was my Ipsy haul. It's Monday. I'm tired, but anyways, yeah, today's it's been raining. I went to school, and here in a little bit I have softball, and I think I'm going to try to vlog a little bit there for you guys, because I never really vlog anything for like sports. But this is my travel team, and it's kind of a chill practice because it's Monday evening and we're just doing some hitting. So I'm going to try to show you guys, and also comment down below some video ideas. I'm thinking of like making a series or something. Also, I have on fake nails because I picked one of them and I got really mad at myself, and I'm trying to get them to grow out. So hopefully these will help me, and I'm also thinking about getting acrylic sometime soon. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later. So there's no school today because the daggone teachers are in strike here in WV, West Virginia. And I also forgot to vlog last night, so I'm very sorry. But cooking up some shrimp. We just did some cleaning, and now we're just shopping for some cat food.